COVID-19 infections are decreasing here in the Philippines, with average daily infections in a downward trend over the past month. This Tuesday, the country registered 356 new cases, the lowest since July 2nd, 2020. Actually, the Philippines has been reporting below 1,000 daily cases since November the 24th. The country's COVID-19 infections have slowed despite people's high mobility after the government eased restrictions to get the economy back on track. Fewer cases, less restrictions, meaning that more people are going outside their homes to shopping malls, restaurants, or even tourist destinations. For students, they're getting one step closer to going back to schools. This Monday, some schools in the Philippines have already begun conducting the pilot run of limited face-to-face classes. Amid the improving COVID-19 situation, health authorities, however, urged people not to be complacent, saying the threat of COVID-19 still remains, especially with the advent of the Omicron variant. So far, the Philippines has flagged 14 countries and regions with reported Omicron cases.